Don't tell me I didn't get any of that. Okay, so I might have lost that. I don't know. I retaped this so it's got better water retention capability. Yeah, I should get some flex tape is what I need. Flex seal tape. So anyway, that's another layer of tape on that, and I just re-soaked this, and I dropped a cube down there, a Weber's charcoal lighting cube. It's like a white. Ow! That thing's hot. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Ouch! 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 So that's to heat up the stack, right? That's the updraft. So getting updraft going. Now last night when I did it, I could see down in here. I could see flames down on this end. It was pretty cool. I don't have them down this time. So let's get the propane torch and light the other end, just for the halibut. And it may be that the pipe is too smoked up to reflect light up, but it was so cool. I put one of the white cubes in that end, came down this end, and oh my gosh, it's so cool. Looking down there, it looked like it was burning on this end. It was really neat. Come on. Okay. I could drop the thing off of there. The cube out of there, I don't really need it. The wire thing, I just had that on there to show you. Okay, drop that down in, good. And I got a little bit of wood down in there from earlier. So what I wanted to do is do some vertical feed. I'm going to do that. I've got strips of bamboo, and that's why I got the longer pipe on there. I could probably put one more short piece on there. It would be all right. What I want to do is get this as stable and as vertical as possible. And so these things will feed down in there.